Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create playlist on your YouTube channel. So you just need to log into your YouTube channel, then just come to your YouTube studio, and then here we need to head to the option content. And as you click on content, here you will see the section for playlist. Just click on playlist, then click on new playlist here. So just title your playlist. I want to title it something like nature, I guess. Once you type it, then just you can add the description. I'll just type ABC for the example. And here in the visibility section, we need to set it on public in order to allow all people to view your playlist. So I'm just gonna set it on public. And also you have the option to change the order of your videos from playlist. I want to set it on, let's suppose, most popular, but you can set it according to you. Once you set it that, just click on add videos. So here you will see all of the videos which you have uploaded on your channel. So here we just need to select the videos which we want to add in the playlist. I want to add these 3 videos on my playlist, so I have selected them. Then just click on done, then just click on create here. And yeah, here you can see we have successfully created the playlist on our YouTube channel. So yeah guys, that's it. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.